Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Get ready to witness a full recorded video from this driver in Florida committing a hit and run and later being interrogated by the owner of the car, bringing along a police officer to have a confrontation.
Yeah, I was at a client's house. I come out after working. My car is in the state that it's in. And I'm like, what the heck happened, right? So I go check the security footage from their cameras. And lo and behold, some car hit me, silver car, and that's pretty much all I had to work with. The first things first, I filed a police report, then I called every body shop and mechanic in town and let them know the situation. I told everybody around town what was going on. I put it on Facebook and every neighborhood watch group I could find. It was getting a decent amount of attention, but I know ultimately no one was going to help me unless I did this myself. It even got to the point where yesterday I made flyers with screenshots of their vehicle and a little write-up of what happened, and I was passing them out to everybody in that neighborhood because I knew someone in that small community had to know who this lady was. So a car was driving down the road. I flag him down and hand him one of the flyers. And he says, "Hey man, I just saw a silver Highlander around the corner. You want me to take you where that is?" And I was like, "Dude, please." And this is what happened. Well. Would you look at this? A little self-investigation action. And I found you. Look, it looks like they're going on a trip too. Not too quick. Not before I get your information, sir. Hey, I appreciate you, sir. You are the man. Let's find out exactly what she has to say.
Let's see what she gonna do.
Oh, she might freak out.
Where's this apartment 304?
Maybe.
That's you?
Yeah.
Okay, we got a little problem here.
Okay.
So the other day, this young man's car got hit, and look what we found.
Yeah, and I don't know how
It's on camera.
it hit me. I don't
No,
know.
you hit it.
Ma'am, we have it on
listen,
camera.
So listen.
Well, I was hoping. I tried to.
We have it on camera. Everything's you're
Okay.
caught. I don't know why you try to run. Why wouldn't you just
No, I
give us?
never tried to run.
Why wouldn't you just give us your phone number? Why wouldn't you?
And
I
that's
went
what,
around and I went.
You nailed me. It's on camera, and then you came back
I did come
and
back.
took my mirror off the ground.
I didn't
Why?
know. Well, I wasn't sure what to
I'm a
do.
tutor and a teacher, and I can't afford this stuff. Why would you do this to me?
For 2 days, I couldn't figure out what to do.
Why wouldn't you just stop right
so
then and
you
give a
have,
phone
you have
number?
your license, your registration, and all that good stuff, and he's got on your car. All right?
Yeah, so what do you... I won't do anything. I've been so upset about this, I can't tell you.
Really, you could have came right back to the house and said something
Well,
if
I
you were
went,
that
there's
upset.
nobody there.
Really. You
No.
couldn't leave a note or a
I
phone
rode around,
number.
did you see me? I went around and...
Couldn't leave a note or a phone number. They've got security cameras everywhere that you didn't
Okay,
go back.
well, you make me feel better. Okay, just tell me what you want me to do.
It's up to him at this point.
I would love for you to arrest her.
But
If you could do
We have
that.
to get a warrant for that, so.
All right, I would love for that to happen. But she hit and ran me and
I
stole
did
my
not run.
property.
I went back
She stole
and I
my
went
mirror
back
from my
again.
car.
I have your mirror. It's downstairs.
Oh, you have my mirror, so now she's admitting to taking
Well,
my
I
mirror.
didn't know what to do.
Thank you very much. I'd really appreciate if you, I could press charges
I
if
need
you
your
had.
license,
I
registration,
will bring it.
proof
We're
of
leaving tomorrow morning.
I could tell you were trying to escape. I saw your new luggage rack up there,
I have been upset
and
about
you've been
this
hiding your
whole
car
time.
in the garage, haven't you?
We always put our car in the
It's
insurance.
okay.
Can we just go get your license and stuff?
Oh, sure. Yeah. I'm glad you came.
Oh, you're glad. I'm
serious.
I'm glad I found you, ma'am, before you left.
I kept saying to my husband, when are they going to come? Because I didn't know what to do.
Oh,
Jesus, I am being honest.
I'm gonna stand here.
I don't think you'll ever believe me, but I really mean it.
I have a video of you hitting my car and then coming back and deliberately picking up the
And
car.
I thought maybe you hit me.
Let's go out to the car. There's no way you thought that.
The car was parked.
I thought I just hit you.
The video is clear as day. He gonna show it to you too.
Yeah, you can watch
I
it.
believe you.
You want to see it? It's on Facebook too. You're going viral. Yeah. And this one's gonna too.
I believe every word you say. I do.
I don't think you believe your own words, ma'am.
Excuse me. I don't think I've ever lied in my life. Good
You
Lord.
just said that. It's okay.
I didn't know.
It's okay. I'm not gonna argue. This case is closed.
did throw it in the dumpster because I really thought somebody had thrown something at me. I had no idea.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
What? Just saying.
Like I said, man, there's a clear video. I mean,
Oh, I'm glad there is.
There's an open case report.
I don't disagree.
he filed a report with the sheriff's office
Oh.
over here.
Right here. Whoa.
Well, your car's out front, right?
Yeah, your car's not in the garage
Oh, okay. Well, here
because you can't fit it anymore with the new luggage rack on there because you're going on your big trip.
Yeah, right. That's right. Thank you. I am sorry. My husband like pondered over it. I didn't know what happened.
I'll tell you what we can do. We could trade cars right now. You want to just give me your car and you take mine? I'd be happy with that deal.
You want this car?
Yeah, I'll take that car and you take mine.
It's just about to be
I know you probably thought mine was like too crappy to get fixed. That's probably why you just fled
I
the
never
scene,
even
right?
saw your car.
It's okay. Can you? I'm not trying to get near you, ma'am.
Oh, God.
Are you you're the dad or the husband?
Yeah.
I really appreciate you. What's up?
Who are you?
I'm the person who your wife hit.
Hit you personally?
She hit my car
Okay.
on Wednesday.
Okay. Where did
Can
this
you
happen?
back up a little bit?
No.
Sir, this guy's getting really close to me for some reason.
No. Tell him to go.
Step away from him.
Tell
You can
him.
record all you want.
This is for my own protection. I don't know if you have weapons or anything like that.
Ma'am, can you use your license, your registration paper?
All in all, case closed. She's going to have to appear in criminal court for the crime of hit and run, which is very illegal here in the state of Florida. And a lot of you may think I was being a little too harsh there in that video, but with all due respect, I have absolutely no time or patience for people who have this sense of entitlement where they're better than others. It doesn't matter age, it doesn't matter who you are, where you came from. If you do wrong in this world, you do your best to right your wrongs. It's how I was raised, and I think that's how everybody should live, and it's what keeps this society together. And when people do things like this, it's just awful.
That reverse at the start of this clip already hinted that this driver is in his own world.
A few moments later.
At least 10 honks are needed to alert this driver. Jeez. This truck driver must have been looking at his phone or something. Extremely dangerous with how heavy that truck is.
A few moments later.
How can someone be so impatient? This driver in a van didn't even think twice before even stopping. If you're going to do all that, please at least signal. That van was so close to hitting that car. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.